Are you ready to enhance your ability to comprehend and synthesize resources? Introducing NotebookLM, your AI-powered idea partner that will simplify complex ideas into concise and understandable resources. NotebookLM works effortlessly with spreadsheets, PDFs, docs, and more to prepare units, organize resources, or gather ideas for your next lesson. To access NotebookLM, log into your Google account and visit notebooklm.google.com. And don't forget to bookmark it for quick access. Creating a notebook is easy. Just click on Create New Notebook. To add sources, select Upload a Source, choose your files, and watch as NotebookLM organizes the information. Explore the chat panel to get summaries of your sources and to ask questions. In the Studio panel, generate audio overviews, facts, study guides, and so much more. Quick pro tip, add or remove sources anytime by selecting Add, or consider unchecking one if you don't want it included in a request. Want to collaborate with your colleagues? Click on the top right-hand corner where it says Share. All notebooks can be shared, and your team can view summaries and contribute insights in real time. Let's dig a little deeper into a notebook. You have your sources on the left, but once they are entered, you can see 7 sources and a quick summary of all of those resources. To see a summary of just one of your resources, click on it. And then at the top, you will see in blue a summary in keywords for just that one resource. Now, back in the chat section, let's start having the notebook create some resources for us. In my lesson for tomorrow, we're going to focus on societal impacts. So I'm going to ask the notebook to create a list of these ideas. I want to be able to give my students this information quickly. And there you have it, the information requested. And you can see within this text the different references for the sources that this information was taken from. Now, of course, you always want to check anything generated by AI for accuracy. You can also help your students see the connections between your content area and math, social studies, art. Simply ask for those connections. Need a study guide for your students? Go in the Studio section and click on Study Guide. Very quickly, within seconds, you will see that document. Click on it, and then down below, that information will appear. The beautiful thing about AI is whether you're summarizing, analyzing data, and connecting ideas, it can happen effortlessly. Take a couple minutes now, think of a topic you're about to teach, and jump into NotebookLM and see the difference for yourself. And don't forget, great tools are even better when shared, so pass it along to your fellow educators.